Unraveling Idioms, the story behind throw a wet blanket. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a curious and vivid phrase, throw a wet blanket. If you've ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what on earth wet blankets have to do with conversation, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together and learn how to use this phrase in our daily conversations. To throw a wet blanket on something doesn't involve any actual blankets, wet or dry. Instead, this idiom is a metaphorical way of saying that someone is dampening spirits or lessening enthusiasm. Just like a wet blanket can extinguish a fire, a person who throws a wet blanket on a situation figuratively cools down excitement or joy. The origin of throw a wet blanket is as colorful as the phrase itself. It dates back to a time when safety measures were rudimentary, and wet blankets were actually used to extinguish fires or prevent them from spreading. This practical, albeit damp, solution became a metaphor for stopping something in its tracks, especially if that something was fun or exciting. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it effectively in conversation is another. Here's how you can incorporate throw a wet blanket into your dialogues. 1. Describing a person. Don't invite John to the party. He always finds a way to throw a wet blanket on the fun. 2. Talking about an event. The sudden rainstorm really threw a wet blanket on our beach day. 3. Reflecting on an experience. I was excited about the project, but the budget cuts threw a wet blanket on my plans. Throw a wet blanket has found its way into various forms of literature and media, underscoring its popularity and versatility. Authors and screenwriters often use it to create tension or to highlight a character's pessimistic attitude. Listening for this phrase in movies, shows, or reading it in books can enhance your understanding and appreciation of its nuance. And there you have it. The next time someone mentions throwing a wet blanket, you'll know exactly what they mean and perhaps can share the interesting backstory of this expression. Remember, learning idioms is not just about expanding your vocabulary, it's about connecting with the culture and history of the language. We hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.